Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change LinkedIn profile URL. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to linkedin.com and just simply sign in into your account. And now from here, just simply go to your profile over here on the left side, or you can just simply click on the me icon at the top over here and click on a view profile. So now from here guys, just simply go ahead and click on over here public profile and URL and click on this pencil icon. And now it will redirect you to another tab, and you should be able to edit your custom URL over here. And you can just simply click on this pencil icon over here, and you will have a freedom to change it. And as you can see, you will have a note here that your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers, and also a note that do not use spaces, symbols, and special characters. And once you are done, you can just simply click on save, and you should be able to get your link over here. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.